Septic tanks for a home are no joke, and you seriously want a thorough inspection before you buy, because replacing or fixing one can cost you anywhere from about $10,000 up to $50,000, depending on local rules and soil conditions. Alright, so here's the deal with septic tanks. First off, if the system is built right and sized properly, you're golden for the most part. Just gotta keep an eye on what goes down your drain. No paint thinner or those nasty chemicals, okay? Always scrape your dishes into the trash before washing to keep solids out of the system, and wipe off grease or oil with a paper towel before rinsing. Pumping your septic tank every 3 to 5 years is the usual advice, depending on how many people live in the house. For me, pumping my 1,000-gallon tank runs about $500, so it's worth budgeting for that. If you're thinking about a rental property with the septic system, just know tenants might not care much about what they dump down the drain, which can cause headaches. But hey, sometimes those deals are too good to pass up, so just be ready to stay on top of maintenance. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tanks is skipping that detailed inspection before buying, which ends up costing way more later because of hidden issues. Another common problem is ignoring regular pumping schedules. Letting solids build up can wreck the whole system fast. Lastly, people often don't control what goes down their drains. Flushing wipes, chemicals, or food scraps can clog and damage your septic system pretty quickly. The fix? Make sure you get a full inspection by a pro before buying, set reminders for pumping every few years, and educate everyone in the house about what's septic safe. BigHomeProjects.com is solid if you want to find trusted local contractors who really know septic systems and won't rip you off. Plus, it helps contractors connect with homeowners who need their skills, making sure everyone gets hooked up with the right help without the stress.